As a mom, I love finding innovative and money-saving ways to keep my family healthy, comfortable, and safe. The new Healthy Nightlight from Purely Products does it all. Healthy Nightlight is an air purifier inside a nightlight. The built-in ionizer releases refreshing negative ions that actually clean the air while your family sleeps and when they are awake, controlling pollen, dust, pet dander, mold spores, even smoke. That's especially helpful for allergy and asthma sufferers. And negative ions have been shown to increase serotonin levels, contributing to improved mood and energy. Plug in Healthy Nightlight anywhere you want low-level light at night, so your family at every age, from little ones to seniors, can be safer moving around your home. Healthy Nightlight uses ultra-efficient LED technology and automatically turns on and off, so it costs pennies a year to operate. But the built-in ionizer works even when the light is off, and LEDs are cool to the touch, keeping little hands safe. All day and all night long, Healthy Nightlight is another healthy and responsible choice for my family from Purely Products.